can't do it.
You are doing it. You're doing great. Oops. You okay? I know it hurts, doesn't it? I do that all the time. Just don't hold it so close. Still hold it. Hold the wood. Just don't hold it so close. There you go. Hold it right there. You're doing great. Perfect. Now put that one in just a little further. Good job.
And this one in?
Yep. Excellent. Nice work. Your thumb okay? Got a little pinch?
Yeah.
Yeah. It'll hurt for a little while, but
Not really.
you'll be fine.
It will not hurt a long time.
It won't hurt forever.
Okay. Now what do we have to do?
Now